Reasons why your local business website doesn't convert visitors into buyers. Part 1. Your website is full of information and has no persuasion. For example, if you were a pressure washing company and you were based in Temecula, your website could read something like this. We do pressure washing. We're in Temecula. Here's a picture of our truck. We clean driveways, patios, and at the bottom, here's our pricing. Maybe if you're really good, you might have a link asked for people to call you or ask for a quote. But that's it. It's only informational. You need more than that. The first thing you're going to show them is their problem. They know they have a problem, but you're going to show them their problem in detail in a way that only an expert understands. The second thing you're going to show them is what happens if they don't fix that problem. What goes wrong? What gets worse? What happens down the line if they don't take care of this now? Because you're an expert, you have that information, you have pictures of what happens when it goes wrong. The next thing is you're going to show them your solution, that you're the best person and actually solving this problem for them. You've done it before. Here's a before and after picture. Look at what a great job we've done, and you do it in a unique way, different to anybody else. The next thing you're going to show them is other people that actually recommend you, testimonials, reviews, people that say, hey, he did this for us. He did a great job. We'll have him back next time. We would never use anybody else because they're so great at what they do. The next thing you're going to show them is an offer. And now this could be a special offer. It has to be, maybe it's the first time customer deal where they get 10% off, but you only have 2 available this week. So you have to call now and make sure they get their slot. What about maybe you did a spring cleaning? It's May, right? You do spring cleaning special, come out, you clean, you do the thing that they need done, and you get at your 10% off, but there's only 2 left this month. Please call us right now, okay? And then the third thing is maybe you could do like a 2-for-1 special, or I don't know, let's say you were pressure washing, you could do a neighborhood special where if you do theirs and their neighbor's driveway, so they're not making each other look bad, they can get half off the neighbor's thing. But there's only 1 available per week, so they need to call now and get advantage of that time slot available. What are they going to do next? Are they going to call you? They need to be able to get back to you. So there you have it. Your website needs to be full of persuasion and not just plain boring information. You need to persuade people to buy from you, and when you do, they will definitely convert, and you'll have more business and more people coming to you looking for pricing and so on. My name's Trick Lowe, and I'm a strategic growth operator, which is a type of marketing, sales, and business strategist. I share tips and strategies every day that will help you grow your business, whether that's through marketing, branding, sales, social media, SEO, website design, conversion strategies. I share it all, and if you need help with any of those things, then you should follow me today.